Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this, we are going to compare the speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT Master Edition. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare between these both phones regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game opening speed test. Let's see which phone can actually open the game fast. And during this time, you should definitely remember, friend, there are a couple of things which got involved. In the game space, there is three different modes, which is low power mode, balanced mode, and the pro gamer mode. So first time, I'll not use any kind of performance mode. I will try to use only the balanced mode at this moment, as you can see. Let's see using the balanced mode, how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones you got in the Battlegrounds mobile game in terms of the opening speed, how much you can actually expect. That's what I'm going to try at this moment. So let all the apps are completely clear from the background, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz. So exactly same Wi-Fi network, both phones are connected absolutely fine. Now let me need to open this Battlegrounds mobile game fast in both phones at same time. Yes. So let's start the test. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry friends, I got some kind of message exactly at that time. Now let me need to start the test again. Yes, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, it's connected. 1, 2, and 3. So right now you can see how the both phones are reacting in terms of the starting speeds of Battlegrounds mobile game with the balanced mode only. And next time I'll try to use a pro gamer mode, and third time I'll try to use a GT mode. So using GT mode and all these things, we'll be able to clarify what is happening regarding the opening speeds between both phones. Right now the opening speed, you can see the Realme GT Neo 2 opened exactly around 20. Wow. The Realme GT Master Edition did open fast. This phone did open faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. You can definitely see, friends, what is happening. So I did do plenty of testings before, but I never did this kind of testing, which is a pro gamer mode utilizing. I never did. So which is a pro gamer mode. So in the balanced mode, what has happened is that the Realme GT Master Edition did open the game faster than the Realme GT Neo 2 with the Snapdragon 778G processor and UFS storage 2.2 as well. But still, this phone was able to open slightly faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. That's kind of shocking to see. But let's see using the pro gamer mode what happens. How much time difference can it be there between this both phones? Let's start the test at same time. So 1, 2, and 3. So I did click at same time. So okay, I did click at same time using the pro gamer mode. Now I'm trying to do. So these are the different statistics which I'm trying to analyze what is happening with the speeds. So right now, a little bit faster in the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the opening speeds. You can see what is going on. And the speeds right now, the first phone to open is again the Realme GT Master Edition did open faster. Again this phone. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening, the Realme GT Master Edition, even with the Pro Gamer mode also, the phone was able to open slightly faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, absolutely not, no problem. And next final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the GT mode. Let's open the GT mode and let's turn on. So both phones, the GT mode is on. Okay, let me reset the stopwatch. Now using this GT mode in both GT series, let's see which phone can actually open this game fast at this minute. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to be really interesting, friends, using GT mode. Now we'll get the results. Even at this time, if the Realme GT Master Edition will be able to open faster, then definitely, friends, it took some time, right? Yeah, it took some time, the Realme GT Master Edition. Before it used to not take any kind of time in terms of loading speed startingly, but right now the Realme GT Neo 2 did open slightly faster. As you can see what has happened exactly. Let's close everything from the background. All the apps are completely clear from the background. And now let me just start at same time the Battlegrounds mobile game again. Let's see what happens this time. I'm trying to use the GT mode and Pro Gamer mode as well in both phones. 1, 2, and 3. Now we'll be able to understand. Now slightly kind of similar is there between these both phones, but again there is a slow. Yes. So using GT mode, that's kind of shocking to see. It's kind of limiting the speed of the Realme GT Master Edition. I did not expect, but yes, using GT mode. So for the last try, let's do one more thing. Let's clear the GT mode and let's see what happens. Let's turn off the GT mode. Let's turn off. Let's see for the last time. So now what happens? So all the apps are completely clean. And now let's see. 1, 2, and 3. This time we'll be able to find out what is going on between these both phones. So loading speed again, it got decreased again in the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's see next what happens this time. As you can see, even this time the Realme GT Master Edition was very close, very close. So using GT mode, it's kind of really shocking to see the GT mode slightly kind of limiting the speeds of opening the Realme GT Master Edition, because if you try to use a GT mode, the gap between these two phones is a lot. But if you don't use the GT mode, the phone was able to open faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. It's a quick comparison between both phones, a lot of comparing how the both phones are handling in the GT mode and without GT mode. Is it making any kind of difference or not? That's what my main idea of comparing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's take more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.